We're coming up on 6:20. We had a cold front push through yesterday evening. That is leading us to a cooler start this morning, and we're going to stay cold for the next several days. That is basically prepping our ground to a freezing point, which if anything falls, it's going to stick around. So we've got a very important forecast for you. Let me quickly go through the next 36 hours and then we'll talk about the game changers. Right now, 45 degrees. It does feel like we're coming in at 41. Dew points are lowered. It is very dry outside and quite breezy. These winds are going to be sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour heading into our day. If you are along the coast, I look for you guys to be seeing some gusts closer to the 30-mile-per-hour mark at times. So just keep that in mind if you still have some decor up. Make sure it is stable or you're going to be heading over to your neighbor's house. And of course, don't forget about those trash cans. It is going to be pretty windy over the next 36 hours. Not only is it a disturbance in the way of your high-profile vehicles, but the wind cuts our temperature. Yeah, you might actually be coming in at 47, but it feels like you're coming in at 42 for your afternoon. 38 is what it's going to feel like over in Louisa. By 7 o'clock, just about everyone is going to feel like you are in the 20s and 30s. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, your actual temperature will be in the 20s. However, it's going to feel like the teens. We have snapped from spring-like weather yesterday to full-on winter today, and we are going to hang out this way over the next 7 days. So be prepared to be cold. Now, not looking to see too much in the way of cloud cover today, nor tomorrow, even as you go into Friday. But the system I'm really watching is currently to our far west, near Portland. It's going to push into our area. Looks to be Saturday evening into Sunday. Now, the exact timing of this, yeah, it's going to change. We're still several days out. But I do look for it to be pretty consistent with this forecast in the way of the type of weather we will be receiving. Anytime we've got a southerly flow, that's moisture just streamlining in, and that's exactly what is anticipated. It starts out from the west, breaks things up a little bit, but then you get that southwesterly flow, and anything that falls will be frozen because of our temperatures, and it's going to stick around again because of our temperatures. This is not the forecast. I'm just being transparent with you. I want to show you the models. The GFS is indicating close to 6 inches in the city, as well as closer to 7 near Farmville. Then you take a look at the European model. You'll notice they're not exactly head-on in the way of how much snow, but both of them are forecasting snow because we are so cold and the moisture will be present. So just take note. This weekend, if you have outdoor plans, you may want to change them up just a little bit to a snowball fight because I do look to see some snow pushing into our area. Today through Friday, we're getting that atmosphere ready. And then by the time that moisture comes in, our atmosphere and our ground will be ready to keep it around for several days. Robin Reba, it's not just messy Saturday and Sunday that I'm talking about. Looking at Monday and Tuesday as well. Yeah, it's dry, but it's very cold, so anything that falls sticks and stays around.
All right.